Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet so you can securely purchase and store digital assets. Whether you are new to crypto or expanding your portfolio, this process is simple and easy to follow. On your Coinbase wallet, click the Buy button on the left side of your dashboard. From here, click the Select option and search for the crypto you want, such as Bitcoin or BTC. You can choose any crypto you like. For example, you can select Ethereum or USDC. Next, we choose the amount. Click the amount field and enter a value. For example, 1, then click Continue. We will be taken to the main Coinbase page to complete the setup. To proceed with payment, sign in here. Enter your password to log into your Coinbase account. You can also sign in with Google if you prefer. Once logged in, we just need to verify our details to complete the payment. Once the payment is verified, we will have Ethereum in our Coinbase wallet. That is how we buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet in just a few simple steps.